Hi, it's Kevin with IT Supplies. Today, we're learning how one desktop printer printing one product can earn you over $1 million a year. What printer? What are we printing? How much will it cost you to get started? Stay tuned to find out. I'm going to be using the Roland BD8 Eco UV printer, which I'll leave a link to below. And the product we're printing on? Baseballs. Like I said, no fluff. Here are the numbers. What does a custom baseball cost? After a quick Google search, you find that custom baseballs have a pretty big range, anywhere from $8 to $40 a pop. Like anything, the more you buy, the more you save. For our purposes, we'll take the average at $24 a ball. Now, how much is a blank baseball? Again, another quick search will show you that you can get a dozen balls for around $2 to $4 a ball, depending on the quality. We'll use $3 for our price per blank ball. How much ink is used to print on a baseball? It varies by design, but for one average baseball logo, it's a whopping 0.02 milliliters to 0.1 milliliters of ink, which comes out to about 2.5 cents per ball. Not even worth adding in. Now, time. Time is the last component because, as they say, time is money. How much time does it take to print onto a dozen baseballs? With this BD8, 30 minutes. People doom scroll in the bathroom for longer than that. Now that we have the numbers, let's do the fun part and extrapolate. Custom baseball cost, $24. Blank baseball cost, $3. Profit per ball, $21. Time per dozen, 30 minutes. That means your hourly profit for printing 2 dozen balls, $504 an hour. At 8 hours a day, $4,032 a day. 5 days a week, $20,160. Printing 52 weeks a year, drum roll please, $1,048,320. That's 144 baseballs a day, 12 dozen. And these numbers are only selling these baseballs for $24 a ball. There's gonna be a lot of one-offs that you can sell for $30 to $40 a piece. I know what you're thinking, Kevin, it's unrealistic to print 12 dozen baseballs a day. Look, I sell printers, not business plans, but I am a dreamer. So imagine this scenario. You talk to a local high school team who wants branded baseballs for practice. 5 dozen balls can fit in a 5-gallon bucket. That's 2.5 hours of work at $21 in profit per ball, making you $252 per dozen or $1,260 per bucket. Each school could earn you $1,260 each. Say you manage to get one school a week to say yes. 52 weeks out of the year times 1,260, you are earning another $65,520 for 104 hours of work. Some schools want more, and schools love customization on golf balls, tennis balls, lacrosse balls, things other than balls. Plus, they are going to want them over and over again. Maybe once a year, get a new set of baseballs, that's recurring revenue. Keep building your business. If you have enough business to be printing 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, that is over $1 million in profit from one printer and one product. Now, how much for the printer? A little more than $11,000, or depending on your qualifications, as low as $201 a month for 5 years. It doesn't make sense, but them's the facts. Again, you are all the creatives, the entrepreneurs, the world shakers. Get excited, give me a call, get this printer. This printer can be sitting on your desktop in a matter of days. IT Supplies is not just here to sell printers. We are here to make you successful, because if you're successful, we are successful. A rising tide lifts all boats. One printer, one product. Just think about it. We'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.